Alright, well that didn't work out. Pikes Peak, due to the weather up top, the 13 of the 16 miles are open. The top 6 are closed down right now due to the weather. Just due to the rain, hail, and snow. They said the cloud is down over the road and the visibility is about a car length, so they want to make sure everybody's safe and letting everyone know before they go in. So we decided to not do it today. We're gonna try again tomorrow morning. Gates open up at 7:30. Until then, since we're here at Pikes Peak Highway at the bottom, we're going to the North Pole. How about that? Did you know the North Pole is in Colorado?
No.
Yeah, me either. Today's free admission. Unless you want to ride rides. Alright, we're gonna check out the North Pole. Alright, so we're here at Seven Falls. Is it just the Seven Falls Park? Is that what it's called? Sure. Just Seven Falls? Yeah?
You got the map.
You got the map. What's it called? Just Seven Falls?
Yeah, Seven Falls.
The Broadmoor Seven Falls. We're encompassed by this crazy canyon. It's a hike up here. 224 steps. We got this. Let's go, fam. What do you think of Seven Falls?
It's awesome. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool.
I sometimes have good ideas.
Yeah, it's a really good idea. So we're here at Midnight Falls, off the trail. The girls are up looking at the rocks, seeing that there's gold in some of the ground, or some of the rock that's on the trail. What'd you find? Some cool rocks. They have gold in them.
This one does.
That's pretty cool. We found some gold. Alright, so what's next? Where are we at?
Inspiration Point.
What city?
I have no idea actually. Colorado Springs.
So somewhere up there, we think it's right there, is the covered wagon.
You think it's that thing right there? I don't know, but I found the perfect Christmas tree. Oops.
Huh?
If you stand here, it looks like a Christmas tree.
Oh, it does.
I'm telling you. Did you not believe me?
Oh, it does. I thought
It
you
took me
meant
a
like
minute.
a literal tree.
A tree,
I'm
yeah.
like, where?
It looks like a cookie cutter
It does.
Christmas tree.
The base and then
How'd that go?
It's perfectly
the
safe.
base and then the.
They do it all the time, obviously. Yeah.
They can do it all the time.
Where are we at?
Pikes Peak,
We're at.
Colorado Springs,
And
Colorado,
one more.
USA.
Atta
Oh
girl.
my God.
So Neri, what do we got here? What is this?
New construction.
New construction. So this is, you can kind of see the old building that James and Jamie got to see when they climbed their way up the mountain. And they got a new building up already. And what's over here?
What are they doing here?
I'm assuming they're tearing all this. Oh, I don't know. It must be another new building. And then what do you got here?
The Cog Railway goes from the bottom to the top.
So where's the bottom?
I really don't know.
And that Manitou Springs.
Manitou Springs,
Yeah.
all the way up here. So, oh God,
Yeah, there's a lot of construction work going on up here, so you smell a lot of diesel fuel
it stinks so bad.
or diesel fuel.
Ugh, I can't handle it.
There we go. Manitou and Pikes Peak Railway. What's that say? What's that box say? good, you?
Doing okay? Just
Good.
checking your brake temps. Doing just fine. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Take it easy.
All right, whenever you're ready.